tuning into our channel. Today I want to show you the smallest model of our open range. It's the 490 Open. It's a classic center console model with almost 5 meter length and 2 meter wide. This 490 Open is powered by a Mercury 60 horsepower 4-stroke engine, and in the next minutes I want to show you a couple of details of this boat and show you a lot of features we can offer at this model. What is very special at Atlantic Marine, at our brand, is that you can even individualize these small boats in the same way like in the bigger boats. We have 18 different types of cushions. You can change the flooring, so you can make your own Atlantic even it's only a 4 meter center console. Here we can take a short look at the steering console. Here you see the stainless steel steering wheel, which comes standard in each of the 490 Sun Cruiser 490 Open models. Here we have the remote control for the 60 horsepower Mercury engine with the key switch, with the quick stop line, and with the trim switch. On the right side you have the Lawrence 5-inch chart plotter and sonar system. Beyond that is this is standard feature, the USB. We have 2 USB connectors and one 12-volt socket. Behind the steering wheel on the left side, this is a standard feature which comes with every Mercury engine. We call it an SC100. It's a digital gauge where you can see the fuel consumption, the flow, the RPM, the temperature of the engine, or the operating hours. Under the SC100 we have the switches. We have all switches for the electrical system. Here the bilge pumps, the horn, the navigation and the anchor light, and the LED flooring light for the indoor LEDs. In each center console model it's quite important that you can store all cushions inside the boat. If you open the hatch, we take a look inside. It's so huge that even the sun deck cushions can be stored here in this hatch. If we go further, we are looking at the bench. With this bench you have 3 different type possibilities of seating. So this is the classical one. If you're driving while you're sitting, this is the option for the leaning post. And in this position you can just sit down, relax, and try to catch a fish. So here we are on the back part of the boat. We can take a look on the LED floor lights, the battery main switch, the self-bailing cockpit there, and the hatch where the fuel tank is located. This 25-liter fuel tank comes standard with each Mercury 60 horsepower, but there is also an option for a 65-liter tank which is installed in that boat. Here on the right side of the boat, the battery is located. We have next to the engine two additional possibilities for passengers to sit, that every of these 5 passengers in this boat has the perfect place to sit. On the left side is just storage. This is perfect for lines and ropes. Here we have the socket, the 12-volt socket for the light, for the anchor light. Here at the very end of the boat, next to the outboard engine, we have the 2 pretty small bathing platforms. On the starboard side we have the bobbing ladder with 4 steps, pretty long. That's easy to entrance or to go in the water and come back to the boat. Yeah, and if you found the right place to drop the anchor in the bay or at the quite beautiful shore, the feature bimini top is very important to protect yourself from the UV sun. It's in the same quality like in every Atlantic marine boat. It's a stainless steel frame. It's totally usable in saltwater conditions, and it's pretty easy to open. You just have to open the zipper and take the bimini, open it, and in a few seconds you can use it fully. For sure, it's also possible to drive the boat with an open bimini top. This boat engine combination is running about 55 kilometers an hour, and you could easily do it with the open bimini top. It's a great feature on any Atlantic marine boat that you can remove the bimini top from the stainless steel frame. This is a great feature for cleaning the roof and waterproof it. This 490 Open is powered by Mercury's inline 4-cylinder with 1 liter. It's a quite powerful engine for this boat. You're possible to drive in this combination more than 50 kilometers an hour. If we open the hatch and look at the engine, we can see where, we can check the oil level or we can fill the oil up. Even the customer can look here on the maintenance schedule what he has to do after 100 hours or in 1 year, or after 300 hours or 3 years. It's quite easy to use for everybody. Now we are in the bow part of this 490 Open, and here we can see even the fact that we are on a pretty small boat, we have a lot of space in the bow part. Right now, or generally, we have 2 different types to use it here in the bow part. This is the sun deck. This comes standard, and if we want to make the whole bow as a sun deck, we can close these holes with, we call it sun deck extensions, that everything is closed with cushions. The second way to use it is the possibility to install the table. Installing the table is quite easy. You just need to drill this in and use the same plate like we used for the sun deck. And now we can sit down, drink a coffee and eat a strawberry cake. I hope I could give you some useful informations about our 490 Open model. Thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe our channel.